This is the healthiest milk. It contains magnesium and has 9 times more calcium than cow's milk. Did people tell you that you should consume cow's milk because it is rich in calcium? We bet the following information nobody has ever told you. There are natural products that are much healthier and richer in calcium than milk. Sesame contains a wide variety of nutritional principles of high biological value, such as unsaturated fats, efficient in reducing cholesterol in the body, and lecithin, which plays an important role in the functioning of our body. Sesame is, along with soybeans, the most rich vegetable in lecithin. Sesame lecithin, however, is better than soy. Lecithin is an essential component of nervous tissue and plays a role in the glands. It is a powerful emulsifier which facilitates the dissolution of fats in an aqueous environment. One of its functions in the body consists of keeping the lipids dissolved in general, especially cholesterol, thus preventing them from depositing on the walls of arteries. Sesame also contains proteins of high biological value, consisting of 15 amino acids. Sesame oil is rich in unsaturated fat acids and has several important secondary constituents. These, with their antioxidant properties, made of sesame oil and oil of greater resistance to antioxidation among other vegetable oils. Sesame is widely used in case of nervous problems, nervous or mental exhaustion, stress, memory loss, melancholy, nervous breakdown, irritability, or nervous imbalance, insomnia. It is an excellent nutritional supplement for those who are undergoing a mental activity and want to maintain a good productivity. Physical overload, sports, breast, pregnancy, lactation, convalescence after surgical interventions or disease, lack of interest or sexual capacity in both men and women, excess cholesterol, prevention of heart attacks and stroke. A good way to consume sesame is by drinking the milk from it, which is very easy to make. This milk has an advantage of being rich in calcium and lacking lactose. What is more, it is also rich in magnesium, an essential mineral for the absorption of calcium. This is why sesame milk as a source of calcium is much superior to cow's milk. Learn ingredients: 1 cup of beige or black sesame seeds. Black is the one with the most amount of calcium. 3 cups of filtered or mineral water. Preparation: leave sesame to soak in water for 8 to 12 hours. After this period, throw the water away and keep the hydrated seeds of sesame. Mix in the blender with 3 or 4 cups of water. The amount will depend whether you want a thicker milk or not. Strain and the sesame milk is ready. Store in the refrigerator and consume with 24 hours. If you want to sweeten it, use honey, if not diabetic, or pure stevia. With the leftovers left after straining the milk, you can make the sesame ricotta. Just temper with whatever you want: rosemary, oregano, parsley, olive oil, and salt, for example. If you enjoyed the video, like and sign up for the channel. And don't forget to share with your friends. See you in the next video. Bye!